Hey everybody, how's it going again? Buddy Blackford here with another Photoshop CS6 tutorial. And in this tutorial we're just going to learn how to create a selection from a layer. And let's just get started on that. There's no really need to explain it, so let's just get started, I guess. So we're going to just use our text tool to create a new layer. So click on the text tool, then click in your canvas and just start typing something. And I'm just gonna type select me with a nice winky there. And if you hold control, you can adjust the size of your text there, and then if we use the move tool up here, we can move it back to the center. So that's what I'm going to use for our selection. Now to select something, you're gonna hold down control and then go over the thumbnail in the layers panel, and you can see it turns into a pointing finger with a dotted box. So click on that now, and you can see that your layer has been selected. Now, since the layer has a transparency to it, so if I turn off this background, you can see the transparency. It's selecting the total, like everything in the layer. Now, if you had a layer, like if these two layers were combined and it was the select me on a white background, it would select the entire layer. So for example, if I can make like a quick example for you, let's make a new layer real quick and set it underneath, and then we'll just fill this entire layer up with this yellow color because it's right already there. Oh man, come on, work. Oh yeah, the reason why it's not working is because there's a selection. So if I deselect this, now I can put the image in, or the background on there, and I'm just gonna combine these two layers by right clicking and then going to merge layers, and now they're one layer. Now if I try to make a selection off of this layer, since the whole thing is filled up and there's no transparency at all, it's gonna select the entire thing, just like if you hit select all, that's what it would do. So this is what's going on there. You need to have transparency for the layer to be selected correctly. So all I'm going to do is back up a few steps, holding control and alt and pressing Z, just to back up until this the layers are separated. Now if you want to add more selections to your layer, so let's create another text and just say second selection. Oh man, no one's gonna be able to see that. Now we can. Cool. And I move that something like around here. If I want to select that and I want to select the other text, all you need to do is hold down control to select, and then hold down shift, and then you can see a plus button goes in. Click on that, click on the other thumbnail that you want to select, and it selects them both. So that's really nice. And that's all there is to making selections from layers. So use that in our upcoming tutorial that I'm going to do next about creating a layer from a selection. So I'll see you guys in that tutorial, and thanks for watching this one, and give a thumbs up if you liked. So see you guys later, have fun.